Have you ever forgotten to take the meat out from the freezer? And try to thaw the meat by water? Or overcook the meat by microwave? Why would you poach or stew your beef when you could grill it instead? Does the meat sometimes stick to your pan while cooking? Are you tired of carrying all those heavy cookware with you on camping? Introducing DeGrill, 2-in-1 defrosting and grilling plate. DeGrill can thaw frozen food 7 times faster than putting the food in room temperature, which can save your time for cooking. The premium-grade aluminum and a well-designed structure allows DeGrill to work 3 times faster than other thawing plates in the market. Just throw your frozen food on the plate and they will be ready in a few minutes. Our design is made to remove excess fat and water from the cooking surface, while the dry heat helps to lock in the flavor. Enjoy your meat with less fat and cholesterol. And yes, DeGrill is non-stick. You will be happier with a smooth cooking and cleaning process. With its tiny size, you can carry it anywhere as it takes up only a small space in your bag. DeGrill could work without the use of electricity or battery. The aluminum casting can reach and maintain high temperatures during all the cooking process. We took around a year to improve the new cooking way for you. Please support us now on Kickstarter.